That engine has a very terrible sounding horn right there. 4022 does.
That's the one with the RS3K.
No, that's the one with the K5LA.
That's an XCP rail unit 3305.
Yep. This engine right here is one that serves Zanesville area. Listen to those spinners are wild. You know why they're doing this? Because they got that uncouple, go around and basically the others like that. So they got uncouple their things. Yeah, they got run around the train in Columbus. And this is a train that's
Because there's some of the other cars came in from
Columbus. Parsons or Watkins, where to go.
Didn't some of them come off of the PR Panhandle line outside of Denison?
Yeah.
So then you could have through freights going through and then extra like
but they
regional.
stop here. They have to stop here though. I think. Can't really tell by the.
I think I see 5 horns. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, there's 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, that's the one that has it. That'd be so funny if when the crews came out, gave us a hat. That'd be funny. There's trash train. Want to do a selfie? All 3 of us?
That's okay. I'll be fine.
Sure.
Oh, she.
Okay. Horn on it.
Yeah, I've heard it before.
It's got a weird horn. CSNK should be coming in from Stockton any minute now. You want to stay around and wait for... Is this your first time being at the Newark yard?
Yeah.
It's a nice little yard, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe just hang around there.